In this video, I'm going to show you how to prevent hair breakages and also boost your hair growth using two natural ingredients that are really powerful when it comes to hair growth. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, I say thank you for stopping by. And I promise you, you're going to love it here because on this channel, I teach you how to grow your hair as well as how to care for your hair. And we show a lot of love. So show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And when you click on the bell, click on it again and select all so you do not miss any of my videos. And guess what? I love to read your comments and reply to them. So make sure you leave me your comments in the section below. Alright, let's get into the recipe. So my first natural ingredient for today's recipe is mint. Mint have so many amazing benefits when it comes to hair growth. But let me tell you this, whenever you get your natural ingredients like so, especially the fresh ones, make sure you are washing them very well. I have to wash this like 4 or 5 times to get rid of all the dirt. So make sure whenever you grab your fresh natural ingredients, you're doing a good job when it comes to washing them because you don't want any dirt or bacteria in your hair. We only want the good nutrients from these natural ingredients. So at this point, I'm just going to pluck all the leaves from the stem. All I need is the leaves. And also, for any reason, if you cannot find the fresh mint, you can also use the mint bag. Yes, the tea bags. If you can find those, you can use them and use it in this recipe. So at this point, my mint is ready. My next ingredient for today's recipe is the basil leaves. Guys, let me tell you this. All these natural ingredients that we find in our kitchen are also great for hair growth. Sometimes we spend a lot to buy chemicals to damage our hair. But all these natural ingredients that are created by God are very, very beneficial when it comes to hair growth and also protecting our hair. Bay leaf, for instance, can improve blood circulation in the scalp, and this will in return help you grow new healthy hair. Its antibacterial and antifungal properties help in protecting your hair from dandruff, flaking, itchiness, or any scalp irritation. Bay leaves can also prevent your hair from breaking. When you use bay leaf frequently on your hair, it supplies necessary nutrients to your hair follicles, making your hair shaft really strong to prevent it from breaking. So after having my bay leaves and my mint leaves like so, I'm going to put them in a big saucepan because I'm going to make a lot of this water. I'm going to keep it for about 2 weeks and I'm also going to share it with my daughter. So I made sure to make enough. You do not have to make this much, just make the quantity that you need. And here you are. If you're still watching this video to this point and you haven't shown your girl some love, please do show your girl some love right now. Give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these using natural ingredients, you will always be notified. And when you do click on the bell, click on it again and select all so you do not miss any of my videos. So at this point, I boiled my bay leaf for about 10 minutes. You do not have to boil it for so long. And the aroma in the house, guys, I just loved it. The smell of the mint is out of this world. Using this on your hair frequently will just freshen your hair and freshen your scalp and makes it really, really healthy. So you must really give this recipe a try. So at this point, I just strained my bay leaf and my mint water, and I'm going to transfer it into a big bottle. As I said, I'm going to use this over a course of 2 weeks because whenever I choose to use one natural ingredient, I make sure to stay with it for some time to just know how good it works for my hair, whether to know my hair loves it or not. One thing I need to tell you guys is we all have different hair porosity and hair types. So whenever you choose any natural ingredient, you need to be consistent with it for at least about 2 months to know whether your hair loves it or not. If you find something that your hair loves, just keep using it. Consistency is key. The more you use it, the better the result. Also, whenever you want to use any natural ingredient, make sure you watch the recipe and follow all the instructions, because it's very, very important you follow the instructions. Otherwise, you will not get all the benefits out of it. It might even end up damaging your hair. And whenever I make videos like these, I make sure to give you all the information that you need to help you grow your hair. So make sure you're not skipping any part of this video, because I'm going to teach you the best way to use this recipe in order to boost your hair growth. And also, if you're suffering from hair breakages or hair fall, dandruff, or any hair issues, I'm going to show you the best way to use it to get rid of all these issues. So this is what I'm having now. I transferred some into a mason jar and also my big bottle. So this is all water based, so we are not going to leave it on the counter. I always make sure to put these treatments into my refrigerator, and whenever I need some, I just grab it and use it. There are so many ways that you can use this treatment in order to boost your hair growth. Or even if you just want to freshen up your braids, you just want to freshen up your hair, you can also use this treatment. And I'm going to show you the best way to use it. Alright, so whenever I grab it from the refrigerator, I make sure to warm it up. Do not use it when it's too cold. Make sure to warm it up. Not hot, because you do not want to burn your scalp, but at least lukewarm. Today I'm going to use it as a hair rinse. So I have shampooed, washed my hair, I have applied my conditioner and rinsed out my conditioner. And this is the final rinse. So I'm going to pour this all over my hair, massage it into my scalp, onto my hair strands. Make sure every part of my hair gets some of this treatment. After applying it to my hair, I'm going to massage my scalp and also my hair strands to make sure it has really penetrated into my hair. You can also put this treatment in a spray bottle, add your favorite oil, and use it in your hair whenever your hair feels dry. You know, the mint in this recipe has antimicrobial and antifungal properties. This will help prevent dandruff and any scalp issues. And you all know new hair grows from the scalp. So treatments like these using natural ingredients will treat your scalp and help your scalp grow new healthy hair. I give a lot of options on this channel through my recipes using natural ingredients. So just find one natural ingredient that works best for your hair and stick to it. After using this hair rinse, do not rinse it out with water. Leave it in your hair and go ahead and apply your leave-in conditioner as well as your hair growth batter. I hope you have already given this video a thumbs up, and if you are new here, I know you have already subscribed. Make sure you click on the video you see on your screen right now to watch other ways to grow your hair. Bye!